Hi guys, I recently came across some private info on a private forum and discovered a new meme coin launch strategy that has given me solid profit. After digging into it, I decided to share this golden launch and meme coins trade method with you.
It's one of the most effective approaches I've seen recently, and it works fully profitably for me. This method doesn't rely on groups, paid influencers, or big marketing budgets. Instead, it's all about launching a token directly on the blockchain in a specific way. A new function on lunaopen.com allows your meme coins to immediately show up on key platforms like Dex Screener, Axiom, and others without any extra steps or delays. Moreover, the memecoin will look good to traders. So we don't need pump fund, we just need lunaopen.com. I will show you live training in this video so you can see how it works in real time. At the moment, this method is extremely profitable, but this is not financial advice. I can't say how long it will work, but right now, traders are rushing to buy these kinds of tokens the moment they appear.
Crypto and meme coins trading is popular again, and with it, new ways to make serious gains are
emerging. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most promising strategies out there, one that's still flying under the radar. We need lunaopen.com. I will leave a link to this site in the video description. When launching a token on services like lunaopen.com, the token will automatically appear on all services like Dex Screener, Axiom, and so on. Well, first I open the Dex Screener, choose any hype token that is popular. It needs to have more buyers and good trading volume for our meme coins.
Okay, I found a good token, just a random popular one. Now click Create Token on lunaopen.com, copy the picture, name, and symbol. I will launch 1 billion tokens, but the quantity is not very important.
Now, enter any description. It can be funny or more informative. And now, the most important thing, a new function. We will change the information about the token creator. On page 3, we will specify someone's big wallet with a large amount of Solana. Yes, this is a new function. We can replace, this information will be replaced in the smart contract data, but don't worry, you will be the real owner and you will be able to fully manage your token. Look at this. There's one of many services, a powerful tool that instantly tracks freshly launched meme coins along with detailed data on the wallets that created them. Hundreds of thousands of traders and sniper bots follow these services, and our goal is for our coin to be chosen by these traders. Here's the strategy. We need to find a wallet that holds a large amount of Solana and then deploy a new token with very low initial liquidity. For example, just 1 Solana. That alone is enough to get our token picked up by these tracking tools and automatically displayed to a massive audience of potential buyers. But here's where it gets interesting. The wallet address linked to the token clearly shows a high Solana balance to most traders. And this sends a strong signal. It looks intentional. They assume the creator launched it with minimal liquidity on purpose, maybe to let insiders or influencers get in early at a cheap price. They're betting that the wallet owner will soon inject significant liquidity, causing the token's price to explode. And yes, in some cases, that's exactly what happens. That's why bots and smart traders are constantly looking for new tokens that fit this pattern. Today, we're going to create a meme coins that checks all those on purpose. We launch our meme coin, so it looks exactly like this. I found a wallet that has a lot of Solana. I copied the wallet address and pasted it here on lunaopen.com. I choose all these options because it increases the visibility. For the token to appear everywhere, including Dex Screener, we need to create a liquidity pool.
This can be done, for example, on PumpSwap, any function on PumpFun, or on Radium, or directly on lunaopen.com by turning on this option.
Don't worry, liquidity can always be withdrawn back. This is exactly what we will do, withdraw liquidity back after traders buy our token. I will add liquidity on lunaopen.com. I have already launched many tokens here. Now I input my wallet address here. Tokens will be sent to this address, and this address will be the real owner. Now click launch token on lunaopen.com, and I see a payment window. I need to send Solana to this address for the liquidity pool and the fee for creating a token. Okay, I made a transaction. Now, copy the token address, then go to the Dex Screener and select any token. Now, we need to replace the token address with our token. Okay, good. We see our token on Dex Screener. We need to wait a few minutes for real people to start buying. Note, Dex Screener displays liquidity amount twice as much as real because it also takes into account our token, which now has a price. All right, the first transaction just hit, which means our Solana meme coins is now officially live and trading. Now it's time to sit back and watch as early buyers start jumping in and activity picks up.
Low cap meme coins on Solana are making headlines again. And with the hype comes a wave of new stealth launch strategies designed to attract attention without big marketing spend.
Each bull cycle brings its own set of fast-moving profit tactics, but they rarely last long. So when you come across a strategy that's working right now, especially one that can position your token in front of hungry traders, you've got to move quickly and capitalize before the window closes. All right, let's fast forward and take a look at what's happened in the first 15 minutes of live trading. Nice. The sniper bots have joined in. They are buying in multiple transactions, sometimes making dozens of transactions over several SOL. Bro, just look at this. It's crazy. Solid trading volume and buyers are tuning in. If I remove liquidity right now, I'd walk away with around 10 SOL. That's a good solid return for such a low cap launch. Let's jump to the liquidity pool page on lunaopen.com and take a look at the real-time P&L. To get all funds, all you need to do is hit remove liquidity, set it to 2-person, and confirm the action. And boom, liquidity is removed and the token is wrecked. The platform makes all action simple. You don't even need to manually sign a transaction. Everything is handled automatically by the smart contract. But just to be clear, even though the process is automated, you still have full control as the token creator. You can see the impact instantly on the screen. 13 SOL, good profit.